Yiwu Diyasa Dress Company Limited was founded in 2003, located in Fotong Town, Yiwu City, the biggest small commodity training center of the world, closing to the Yangtze River Delta Economic Circle, where the sea and inland transportation is very convenient. We are a professional apparel manufacturing enterprise of the design, research, development, manufacturing, and sales. Our factory covers approximately 28,000 square meters, with 195 employees. Over 700,000 pieces production capacity per month enables us to meet large volume requirements at competitive prices with prompt delivery. More than 20 years experience in clothing market helps us know the customer's idea, such as the popular colors, different sizes, pattern designs, dress styles, and personalized fabric, with strict QC implemented at every production stage. Our products are widely recognized and trusted by customers. Quality can meet continuously developing economic and social needs. Cooperated with brand fabric company, pattern designer, available steady big stock, more than 200,000 pieces, fast shipping within 24 hours. R&D team develop new products regularly. Every customer has pattern protected service. Provide models photos. The important product feature is high quality, low price. Almost all fabric can be personalized. These advantages also help us win a high reputation among domestic and overseas customers. We always stand by our principles of honesty and cooperation with customers. If you are looking for a stable and long-term cooperative supplier, don't hesitate to contact us immediately.